Hey look, there's a clue on this train. Hey, how did Navy get a paw print on this train, even if he didn't came along with us? Huh, always impressed by my dog. But we can write this clue down in our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. First, let's draw a rectangle for the front of the train. Then we'll draw the funnel, another rectangle for the bottom. Then we'll draw circles for wheels. Then a square for the window. There, a train. Our third clue. Hey, we have all three clues to figure out what are you, Navy, and Trixie gonna do on the playdate. It's time to sit in our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair. Let's go. Hey Trixie, I didn't realize you came into the living room. And hey, we have all three clues. Really? Yeah, we do. But why don't you sit in the thinking chair for today?
Really? I like to.
It's all yours.